It's March 10th, 65 degrees. I should not be wearing this long sleeve. Walking my bike. It's a no bike area right here, but walking up this spot that I would like to catch one big brown one more time before the water comes up tomorrow, the day after. Got a couple awesome dates with a big guy right up here, and I'm hoping nobody's fishing it. I'd like to see him one more time before the water gets high. Maybe it'll happen, maybe not. If you're watching this and something happens. Appreciate you guys watching. My name is Matt. This is Old Hat Fishing. We've had a lot of fun on this river this winter, but it is time for a good flush. I see golden eyes in the deep hole up there, so that's a good sign that nobody's fishing it. I really have just about enough time to fish this hole and this hole alone. So last time I was here, I caught a 23-inch on the Tenkara. I wouldn't be upset if that happened again. Although I did not bring the Tenkara. Kind of an unassuming spot right here. Just a slow, deep corner. That's all it takes. The little holes, man. This hole is like the size of a big dining room table. And if you're gonna ask me where I'd find the brown trout, that's where I would look. This is really the end of the shrimp season, thank the Lord, because I always look forward to trying something different this time of year. I love the pickup. I love feeling a big brown pick up the shrimp off the bottom. It's always awesome, but I also don't mind a smack on a big rapala or a jig of some sorts. Right there is usually, under those trees is kind of the sweet spot. But I do want to try up here quick just to see if anything's sitting up top. I'm not looking for 10 fish. I'm looking for one. One big one to wrap us up. All right, cut the video. I'm a dummy. Maybe the worst videographer on YouTube right now. I'm always turning this camera off and then catching big fish. And this is what happened. I was out there. I don't know why. I don't remember turning it off. I just happened to turn it off because when I went to shut it off, it came back on as I'm releasing the fish. I'm like, oh. So unfortunately, we don't have this awesome audio up here, because this is one of my best commentaries ever, I think, because it was a great fish. Fought really hard, made a couple really great runs, but we only have one angle, and it's your guys' angle. I apologize, but I still hope you enjoy. This is a big fish. Watch this, and I'll do better, I promise. We got him. There it is. Look at that big fish. Big, beautiful brown. Put this big fish on a tape quick. I think it's the same one I've caught before. Maybe not. Maybe this one's bigger actually. $25. That's bigger. Whew. 25 inches right there. What a beautiful fish. Well, there you have it. One bite, one fish. Would you do a video for one fish? I don't know. If nothing else, that's a perfect, picture perfect example of where I look for brown trout, how I would fish it. You guys already know all this stuff though, so regardless of my horrible videography skills, you guys are here and I appreciate it. So thanks for watching. I'm out of the country for a few weeks, so maybe the next video will be somewhere exotic. Take care, guys. God bless you. See you soon.